Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I have the absolute pleasure of showing you around this lovely 2016 16 plate Ford Mustang. Now this is the full fat V8 model, 5 litre, coupled with the silky smooth auto box, and the best part is we know the vehicle very well. It was supplied by ourselves to the previous owner when the vehicle was just at 10,000 miles. This was back in 2022, so the vehicle's had it. He's only put an extra 5,000 miles on the vehicle, so we're just hovering above 15,000 miles, which is super low mileage for a car of this age, and you can tell it's been absolutely cherished. This obviously wasn't his primary car. This was a vehicle that only came out on nice and sunny days and special occasions. Paintwork wise, absolutely superb. You can tell the vehicle is in fantastic order. We've got lower daytime running lights. We're riding on these lovely 19-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. We've got the sporty Brembo brake calipers just behind there. We've got the 5 litre badging. Looking down the side of the car, you'll not find any dents. Coming through to the back, the rear tyres are shod in nice chunky Michelins, which look fairly recent. Coming through to the back, nice dual exhaust, reversing camera, rear parking sensors, everything that you'd expect on a vehicle of this caliber. Now looking into the boot, just to give you an idea of the type of person the previous owner was, we've got a loading cover there just in case, loading anything in the rear. All the tyre inflation kits in there. We've got the subwoofer in the back, shaker stereo, as this is a fantastic specification car. So that shaker stereo system, that's a big factory option on one of these. Looking down the passenger side, again, that paintwork looks absolutely ace. All 4 tyres, all 4 wheels, free from any marks. And then going inside, the Ford Mustang must have one of the comfiest seats for a sports car. Very supportive, bolstered, perforated seats. Now the perforations, this is a heated and cooling seat, so obviously you've got the heated pad, and then it blows air-conditioned air through the little perforations in the seat. Back seats, I can tell you, have not been sat in. They're in absolutely fantastic order. And then jumping inside, we've got park folding mirrors, leather multifunction steering wheel. On there is our cruise control, all our volume and media controls, voice command, Bluetooth phone, and then obviously all the controls for the display up ahead. So as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 15,057 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. We've got automatic lights, wipers are on the side there, they're automatic as well. We've got the flappy paddles, so if you stick the vehicle into drive, you can go up and down the gearbox using the paddles. Gearbox also go down again. You've got sport mode, which stretches out all the gear ratios, just turns it into a different beast altogether. Now coming through to the center, you've got touchscreen, so clicking through, you've got your Bluetooth phone, you've got satellite navigation on this vehicle, which is very responsive and very easy to use. Full DAB radio, so all the extended channels. Dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. Obviously we've got selectable driving modes, so we've got Sport, Sport Plus and Racetrack, which obviously reduces your traction control. It isn't advised for normal public roads. Then you've got your steering, so you can change it from sporty to comfort to normal, and then obviously traction control settings as well. My heated seat is on, passenger aircon seat is on. You can feel the cool air blowing through the vents, fantastic on those warmer days. Central armrest with a USB and 12-volt power outlet. All the book packs are in there. Very good service history. Vehicle will be serviced by ourselves prior to collection. Obviously it still needs to go through our pre-delivery inspections as well. so whatever it needs the vehicle gets. But a lovely, lovely thing. We've got some fantastic finance packages if it's finance that you're after. If you've got a part exchange, we can happily give you a price over the phone. But the vehicle, it will be in the showroom when you come to view it. So if you want to see it in its true light, in the dry, under harsh showroom light, you can do. So give us a call, 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.